Oh, but yung mom ko is one of the most avid viewers of not just Unang Hirit actually, but the GMA in general. But Unang Hirit is part of her morning routine na talaga. Just recently actually, siguro mga 2 months ago, nagkukwentuhan kami and then so I was asking her also, anong pinapanood mo lately, ganyan-ganyan. I forgot what we were talking about. Maybe some other, parang one of the
Shows.
teleseries. Yeah,
Yeah.
oo. Tapos sabi niya, but in Unang Hirit, I love the new hosts. And then she said, they're so cute together. She was talking about you and Shaira together. Ang cute-cute nyo daw na magkasama. And I think that is the sentiment of a lot. Yung tandem ninyo, parang napaka-engaging, nakakatawang panoorin tuwing umaga.
Ashaira was one of the blessings that happened in 2022 for me, at least. Kasi hindi naman siya agad yung naging partner ko sa Unang Hirit is Pia. It was Jenzel at first, and then another sparkle artist which was Roxy Smith. Last na si Shaira. And to her surprise, my first impression actually kay Shaira, and I told her this, na parang nasusungitan na actually ako sa kanya. And I even told her na parang, kasi alam ko Shaira eh. Shaira, medyo matagal na rin sa industriya. And she's known for being a good actress, being a great partner to E.A. Guzman, and the leading lady of Roro Madrid sa Lolong. So to be partnered with her, medyo intimidating at first. And how she looks. I mean, Shaira
Oo.
she's beautiful. Pero meron lang ako sigurong impression na since medyo matagal na siya artista, batikan, baka meron siyang tingin sa mga baguhan na tulad ko na wala namang pangalan pa. And wala namang makakakilala sa akin if not for Unang Hirit eh. So sabi ko, tas kami pinag-tandem dati. I was even messaging Roxy, ang partner ko today, si Shaira. I don't know how to talk to her, blah, blah, blah. I told Shaira about that. Tapos ngayon, tinatawanan na lang namin yung time na yun na kami nagkakapaan pa in how we were gonna actually manage each other's first impression. Pero ayun, naging organic siya, Miss Pia, and nagka-translate siya sa screen, nakikita ng mga tao. And we are so happy to hear feedback like that from your mom regards to Tita, na natutuwa sila sa tandem namin. Kasi nagkiklik eh. It's just yung mga banters namin together sa live, snap lang. At saka hindi namin kailangan i-overthink yung sasabihin namin because it comes out naturally. Sobrang walang effort yung pagiging madaldal at makulit namin. And part of us, I mean, conscious na kailangan namin gawin itong lively and extra kulit kasi yun yung ikatutuwa at ika-entertain